Today everything is about Babyboom, and I'm going to create the next Babyboom. I'm going to use 5 colors of power gel, so come on, I show you how I'm going to work with it. The first layer I've created with the power gel clear, and it has to be a very thin layer. I'm continuing with a bead of power gel white, and I put it a little bit on top of the nail. First, I'm going to blend in the white power gel in the natural nail. I'm making a very smooth transition. After that, I take my white down and I'm working with a very flat brush. Be sure that your product is on top of the nail, but don't forget the lower arch. After curing this first very thin layer of white, you have to make sure that everything is really white and you don't have transparent spots in the elongation of the nails. So you have to check that, and if you see some spots that have not enough power gel white, you can put a little bit more and then blend it into the white. So more white into the white. I need a little bit more white over here, so I put second bead of white up there, and work my way to that exact spots. The next color that I'm going to use is the Power Gel Extender. It's a little bit of a semi-covering, and it's very easy to blend into the white. Nude is more difficult to blend in, but with the Power Gel Extender, I think it's very perfect. So let's see the second bead. The extender is fitting perfectly with the nail bed, with the natural nail bed. So it's very easy for me to blend it in. So now I'm working with a very flat brush again over the power gel white and then make a perfect blend. If you need a little bit more, you can take a second bead of the power gel extender. I think I can use a little bit more. This is my second bead of extender, and I needed a little bit more because otherwise the Babyboom was a little bit too white. So this is the second bead of extender, and it's very easy to blend it into the whites. We are working from light to dark, so the next color is the Power Gel Nude. It's a little bit darker and more covering than the Power Gel Extender. And now with nudes, I make my final step in blending, and I blend it over Power Gel Extender. We already have a very nice blend, but it always can be more perfect. And the final step, I think that's a very important step because the Power Gel Pink, you can see after I put the Power Gel Pink on that it becomes more as one, and the colors fits each other beautiful. So I'm going to cap the nail with Power Gel Pink. I take my Power Gel Pink and capping the whole nail. This is the zone where there's a little gap, so we have to leave some Power Gel Pink in this area. After you apply all the rhinestones, now it's time for the top coat. It's matte top coat, so you have to be very careful around the awesome crystals. I already applied my top gel over there. And you can use a detailer tree if you want to be safe. And now the matte top coat all over the nail. I think the end result is very nice. Let's have a look. So you can see the different colors, starting dark and getting lighter and lighter until white. This is one of my favorite techniques in Babyboom. And the rhinestones give it that little bit extra. Well, thank you again for watching, and I hope you can create a very nice Babyboom. Let me see. Bye.